Hello, and welcome back to Global Facts Journey. Hippo sweat is pink, but does it serve as a natural sunscreen and mosquito repellent for these large animals or self-defense from mosquitoes and other bacteria? Well, we all know it's quite difficult to identify why hippo sweat is pink and what it does for them. In this video, we will discuss the pink sweat of hippos, what it does for them, and why they are different from other animals. Certainly, when you see a hippopotamus on a warm day, you might observe a striking phenomenon where it appears to be secreting a red, blood-like substance. This isn't actual blood, but rather a natural secretion from the hippo's skin. The secretion is thick and covers the hippo's face and body, oozing out from its pores. This unique fluid serves important functions for the hippopotamus, such as protecting its skin from the sun and helping to regulate its body temperature in the heat. It's a remarkable adaptation that helps these large animals thrive in their sunny, aquatic habitats. The foremost point to grasp is that facing a hippopotamus in person is a dangerous situation and should be avoided at all costs due to the potential threats they pose. However, if we overlook this vital safety advice and delve into a more curious aspect of hippopotamus biology, an age-old question emerges. This question revolves around the unique and somewhat mysterious phenomenon observed in hippos, their apparent sweating of a blood-like substance. This peculiar characteristic has been a subject of fascination and study for centuries, prompting people to explore and understand why hippos exhibit this unusual trait that resembles sweating blood. Hippos make their own sunscreen. Most animals exposed to sunlight have developed natural protections like fur, feathers, or scales to safeguard their skin from the sun's harmful rays. This is a common adaptation in the animal kingdom to cope with the challenges of sun exposure. Hippos, in contrast, present a unique case. Although they do spend time basking in the sun, they are predominantly water-dwelling creatures. A significant portion of their lives is spent submerged in water bodies. This aquatic lifestyle is a distinctive aspect of their behavior and biology, and it influences how they interact with their environment, particularly in terms of sun exposure and the need for skin protection. Their adaptation strategies differ from those of animals with fur, feathers, or scales, reflecting their unique living habits and environmental needs. Sure, the evolution of hippos has led to a unique adaptation for life in aquatic environments and exposure to the sun. Unlike land animals that have evolved fur, feathers, or scales for protection against solar radiation, a heavy coat like this would be impractical for an animal as large and water-oriented as the hippo. Instead, hippos have developed a remarkable alternative over millions of years. Their bodies produce a specialized red secretion, often mistaken for sweat, which spreads over their skin. This secretion is a blend of two distinct chemicals. When these chemicals are exposed to air, they react and dry on the hippo's skin. The drying process transforms the secretion from a red to a brownish hue, and it adheres to the hippo's body for an extended period. This dried substance acts much like a sunscreen, providing a protective layer against the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays. It's a sophisticated natural mechanism that not only shields the hippo from sunburn, but also aids in keeping their skin moist and healthy, especially important given their significant time spent in both sunlit environments and in water. This evolutionary adaptation is a perfect example of how animals evolve specialized traits to thrive in their specific habitats and environmental conditions. It's not just a sunscreen. This interesting facet of hippo biology revolves around their unique red secretion, which has been found to have more than just sun-protective properties. Hippos are known for their territorial and often aggressive behavior, where they use their sharp tusks as weapons against each other. These conflicts can result in deep cuts and wounds. Ordinarily, such injuries, especially for an animal frequently in bacteria-laden water environments, would be prone to infection. However, hippos are remarkably resilient in this regard. Scientists have discovered that the red, sweat-like substance secreted by hippos plays a significant role in this resilience. Alongside providing sunscreen protection, the secretion has been found to contain antibiotic properties. The acidic nature of the chemicals in this liquid is key to its ability to ward off infections. It acts as a natural disinfectant, effectively killing or inhibiting the growth of bacteria that could otherwise infect their wounds. This natural antibiotic is crucial for the survival of hippos, Without it, the cuts and wounds they receive during fights could easily become infected, leading to severe health issues or potentially fatal conditions. It's a remarkable evolutionary adaptation that ensures that even in the murky, microbe-rich waters they inhabit, hippos can maintain their health and heal effectively from the frequent skirmishes they engage in. This discovery enhances our understanding of how hippos have evolved not just to cope with, but to thrive in their challenging ecological niche. The red secretion of hippos, already known for its sunscreen and antibiotic capabilities, may have an additional benefit as an insect repellent. Researchers studying hippos have noted a curious phenomenon. Insects, which are usually a common nuisance for many animals, particularly in wet and warm environments, seem to avoid hippos when they are covered in this red substance. This observation has led scientists to speculate that the chemicals present in the hippo's unique secretion might be serving as a deterrent to insects. It's possible that the composition of this secretion, either due to its acidity or some other chemical properties, makes the skin of the hippo an unattractive or even hostile environment for insects. This would be a significant advantage for the hippo, as it would reduce the risk of bug bites and the diseases they can carry. If this repellent property is confirmed, it would add yet another layer to the already impressive array of functions served by the hippo's red secretion. It suggests a sophisticated evolutionary adaptation, providing a multifaceted defense mechanism, protecting against the sun, preventing infections in wounds, and potentially keeping away bothersome or harmful insects. This discovery would, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and be sure to turn on bell notifications so you don't miss any videos just like this one. If you enjoyed this video, you're sure to enjoy the next one. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.